This is Vincent Mbata here. I am super excited today that I'm upgrading to tier 5. I'm actually on tier 3. You can see here where it says current contribution. I'm currently on tier 3 and I'm going to upgrade basically to tier 4 and then tier 5. I mean, if you are familiar with Daisy, you know that you can't skip tiers, okay? You have to basically start on tier 1 and then you work your way up just like that, right? So now I'm going to tier 5 and I'm super excited about it. So what we're gonna do here is I'm just gonna show you as I go ahead with upgrading, and I'm gonna play around with the calculator as well, just to see how much I stand to earn, you know, per week, per month now on tier 5, right? So just to get an idea on, you know, and we're gonna work with maybe say 20% for the month, 5% for the week, just on average, okay? Obviously it's not fixed, and then we see how much we'll be earning, okay? So now let us get started, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe to the channel, or if it's your first time here, do hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I release a new video. And also do give this video a like. It helps the channel, it helps with the YouTube algorithm, okay? So guys, this is where I am, right? Tier 3. Now remember, for you to be able to upgrade, you need to have the funds on your wallet already, okay? And if you're looking for a step-by-step on how to actually get started, if you're not on Daisy yet and you want to get started, I do have a video where I cover both the mobile as well as the desktop versions if you want to get started with this right here. And I will also leave my link below this video. You can go ahead and, you know, join my team, and we partner up with this Daisy, which is a fantastic project. So, but obviously you want to do your due diligence first. This is not financial advice. I'm in no way recommending that you put your money in here. You want to do your own research, and obviously never invest money you cannot afford to lose. And more on Daisy, again, there is a video explaining more about Daisy, okay? This is just a video just showing you how to upgrade, okay? Now let's have a look at this is my, you can see I have 1061 Tron, right? And then I have 2,405 USDT. Okay, so I should be good to go, because both tier 4 and tier 5, it's about 2,400 in total, right? 2,400 USDT. So now let's go ahead, you guys. I'm gonna go to tier 4 and hit contribute to tier. And then now let us see what happens. Then from here, I go through the normal procedure, sign to approve, and then I'm gonna hit sign again. It should be 3 times essentially, right? I should be doing this 3 times, so this is the last one. So again, I'm gonna say sign, and then this should say success. You can see right there. Now I'm officially on tier 4. Now I'm good to go. I have contributed to tier 4, and then now let's see how much Tron we have left. Let me just hit refresh. Now I have 801, you know, out of, so it used, let's say 200 and something Tron. So, you know, but you just have to have the minimum that's required, which is 500 Tron, okay? Or else it won't go through. But as you can see, it didn't take everything. Even with the next one, it won't take everything, okay? So now I have the amount now left to upgrade to tier 5. All right, let's go ahead. Now I'm just gonna go to tier 5 and hit contribute to tier. And once again, it's the 3 approvals that we need to do. And now what I like here with tier 5 is now I'm able to, after this, I can buy another tier 5 for me to actually contribute to the momentum pack. With the momentum pack, 90% of your funds go towards live trading. Whereas with the normal one, like this one, the normal tier 5, it's only 70% that goes towards live trading. Okay, so there we go. Congratulations, you qualified for the new Forex momentum pack. As I just mentioned, click on Forex tiers 5 and contribute more to activate. So now basically I would then need to, you know, contribute here, right? If I go ahead and hit contribute more, then the next one would be, you know, the momentum pack, and I would have basically 90% of the 1,600 working for me in the live trading, which is fantastic, guys. I mean, that's awesome. But this one, it's the normal 70% that's, that's now contributed towards the live trading. But now if I then go ahead from here and then, buy tier 5 again, then that would be the momentum pack, and then moving on to tier 6 again, step by step like that. Okay, so that's fantastic, you guys. So I'm happy with this. If I go to reports and I hit refresh, okay, and remember, it takes 72 hours for your funds to actually reflect on the actual trading. Okay, so even here it says tier 5, but obviously it's still gonna adjust the numbers here, etc. But it does say tier 5. And also if I go to tier 5 right here, it says contribute more. That's how you can see that you've actually contributed successfully. Okay, even on tier 4 it says contribute more. So I have contributed successfully. And then the quantity here will also change. It has changed already. You can see it's 1, and it is showing also there. Also on tier 5 it's also showing. So it's just now a matter of, you see, it also like upgraded here. It updated. So now it's just a matter of waiting for the funds to actually be to be added to the live trading, which is awesome. That takes around 72 hours. Okay, so that should happen within 72 hours of contributing. Okay, now that's now the trading to start, and for my funds to actually reflect on the funds. So how you do that quickly, you go to funds. This is where now we want to see our funds working for us. So you can see it's not showing as yet, and it's not showing because it's not 72 hours. I mean, it's still within the 72 hours, right? So we're just waiting. At the end of the day, then the funds will reflect here under total contributions. Okay, so that is it, you guys. Let's play around with the numbers really quickly and look now just for an idea on how much I would be earning now per week. Okay, so you can see this is up to tier 5. All right, I'll leave this calculator under this video, then you can just go ahead and play around. Now it means I basically have, this is the weekly. Okay, so this is what I've contributed, 2,110. That's actually what's working for me. Let me just take you to Forex first. This is where you actually want to make the changes, where the yellow part here. You can see right here, I said 20%, right? That's the average for the month. Per week, it means it's around 5% on average. So I said 20% for the month to be conservative. I mean, this past week alone, we did like 9.52% just for the week. Okay, so this is really conservative. And you can see it's up to tier 5. Okay, now the total that I've contributed out of pocket is 3,100, but with the funds that with 50% on tier 1 and 2 and then 70%, it comes down to 2,110. That's actually working for me in the trading. And then the monthly projected profit is 20%, and then what's expected from this now is $422. Okay, and then if we say less performance fee, which is the 30% that gets taken either with every withdrawal that you do or every 26 weeks, if you didn't withdraw for 26 weeks, that 30% would then get taken after 26 weeks or whenever you withdraw. Okay, that's the performance fee. So then I would then receive, this is the $295 that would then be in my pocket after the fee has been taken from the 422. Okay, so that's not bad. So here's what I'll be earning now per week. Okay, so week 1 is 106. All right, 106 for week 1, and then this is it accumulates, you guys. If I just leave it, let's say I leave it for a month, so it would basically be 106 that's accumulated. Okay, and then the following week it's now $111. So 106 plus this, it's supposed to give me this amount. And then if I say 216 plus 116, then it gives me 313 already. That's now that I'm accumulating. And then $333 plus 122, that gives me 455. So this is basically what I would be now accumulating, etc. And then this is the weekly close balance. This includes the compounding as such. Okay, so this is fantastic, guys. I mean, you saw for the week, I mean, I'm okay with, look, it's a start, okay? It's like 106 for the week. It's a start, and if I leave it, then it basically just compounds for me, which is fantastic. I mean, that's basically what I'm gonna do. In future videos, I'll be sharing different strategies that you can use here, right? And you can see if I decide to add another, another package that I would be contributing to, either maybe tier 3 or tier 4, whatever other package that I would be contributing here, because you can rebuy tiers, okay? You don't, it's not once off, you can rebuy them. So whatever tier that I would be contributing, the amount I would add here, and then you see then how the changes look like on the calculator and how the numbers are affected in a positive way. And also when you withdraw, you also see the amount here. Like if I decide to withdraw, let's say end of the month, right? End of the month, I decide to withdraw, let's say $500, okay? Then you see the numbers changing and it just adjusts automatically. So have a goal for you, right? Of what amount you'd like to reach. For me, my short term for me is it's tier 7. That's short term for me, and then I'll basically go on from there. But obviously eventually I want to hit tier 10. So what's your goal? Have that and write that down and work towards that. And yeah, let's have fun with Daisy. I mean, we're getting awesome results so far, and I mean, it's really consistent. And if you look at the past performance, like really for the past 9 months, right, it's been extraordinary. So that is it for this video, you guys. I thought I should just hop on and show you the upgrade and what's possible with the tiers. And I'll leave this spreadsheet below this video as well. And if you're not a member of Daisy, I will leave my link below this video. You can go ahead and join my team, and we take advantage of this fantastic smart contract that is just killing it right now. Plus, remember, there's also the Endotech stocks that we also get, which is awesome. I'm very excited about that we're also benefiting from Endotech when they go public. Then we have some shares. Okay, so that is it, everybody. Now you can see I have 22 shares. That's awesome. This is something that I'm gonna hold. It's gonna pay me dividends, as an extra passive income as well. Okay, have a fantastic one, everybody. I hope you found this video entertaining and informative. If you did, do give it a like, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
All links can be found under the video, the calculator also, plus step-by-step instructions videos, and a step-by-step site to share with your prospects without a referral link.